Hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Miles.
And this is...
Mimi.
And it's time for another unboxing time at the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
The USA.
That's right, this one comes from Nongshim down in California. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Ho-ho! Alright, so they sent some big boxes of stuff. So a few years ago, Nongshim Soon Veggie Ramen was on the top 10 list, and their cups are good too, and this is that. But it certainly looks, from the other things I'm seeing in this box, that they've expanded that range of varieties. So this is the initial original Soon Veggie Cup Noodle, which now apparently is joined by a kimchi variety, which probably is pretty good. Miso and tofu noodle soup. Interesting. Oh, nice. And a chili tomato. One thing I've been saying for years is that my readers are constantly asking me, you know, when I was a kid, there was this tomato instant noodle that I absolutely adored, but I can't find it anymore. Well, a lot of them went off the market. So, yeah, tomato varieties, good choice. And now we've got K-Army Stew. K-Army Stew is budai jigai. Budai jigai is basically you take Korean food, take American army troops snack food. So we're talking like beanie weenie and mac and cheese sticks and just like all those kind of little snack things they used, or they probably still give to troops that are stationed in foreign countries. Those ended up getting mixed with Korean cuisine, and then budai jigai was born. And it's so basically like a spicy kimchi soup stew with all these different little affectations of Western culture in there, and it's really freaking good. You got like beans and stuff. This one mentions chili beans in it, and it's really good. I love this one. So yeah, I'm very curious how it's going to translate to a cup or a bowl version. I guess we'll find out very soon because I'm starving. And yeah, wow, that's a pretty big stack of noodles. I want to thank the folks over at Nongshim for shooting these over. And yeah, I'll be trying them soon. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.